So here we are back at Roadside, Turkey, and today is the day that we're gonna leave Istanbul. We finally fixed the problem with the camera, meaning we had to buy a new one, a second-hand one. I think we talked about this in one of our stories on Instagram and Facebook, but yeah, that was the only deal we could manage. And now we're going up north, close to the Black Sea. The weather is definitely not good, but it is what it is. So let's pack up and hit the road. Thank you very much.
Bye, thank you. You go first? I go first?
Yep.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye guys. We are a bit unclear of where we are, but we found this little cafe by the side of the road. It's been like a nice mountain-ish place. Charlotte already found her nest, I guess, for the next hour or so. We asked for food, which we have no idea because, well, in Istanbul wasn't easy to find a lot of people speaking English here. Communication is interesting, but the road's been nice, twisty. It's gonna take us like 2.5 hours to do 100 kilometers, so properly twisty. But these little side cafes, they're super cool. Look at this, super cute. Just a shame that it's not hot. It's a bit cold, but so far so good. Wanna say something? Or are you sleeping already?
Soup. I can say water in Turkish.
Soup. We've seen better roads in Turkey. Because this is very muddy. Very muddy. And that's not cool on big heavy bikes. Not cool at all. Because it forces us to push a lot more than what we want. And especially back there. Oh, back there was terrible. There you go, suspension, work. And yep, the worst is now done. Problem is that our GPS is telling us that this is a very good road. And all I can say is I'm proud of Charlotte, because she did a fantastic job going through those mud butts and choosing the correct way not to get stuck. So big kudos to that, because it is very well done, especially for someone with no experience at all off-road and little experience. Ooh, traffic jam. A little cow traffic jam.
Cutie.
Say what? Strawberries! We stopped at that very nice lady that showed us how much the strawberries cost around here.
It showed us how much the strawberries cost.
Yeah, why not? And we're right by the side of the road, so this beautiful noise of roadworthiness. There's more. So what happened is yesterday we arrived in where are we? Amasra, somewhere up north. You can try to put a little map here so you can see where we are. Yesterday we stayed at Kura, Karazu. Again, little map. So we've been driving. The progress has been slower because we are off the highways. A lot of people have been asking when do we get to the tea and the wine. Well, the wine in Turkey is not gonna happen, or very hardly will happen. We tried to contact some vineyards, we tried to contact some people, but no replies. And with the wine, we're making our way into Rize, but it's taking us around 5 to 6 hours to do around 250 kilometers, more or less. Yeah, it's more or less that. So it's slower once you get off the highway. We will get there. But for today, we're staying here in a little camping site. But it's off season, so everything is under construction or nothing is open. And we are trying to fix a small problem that we're facing with the XT. The bike is shutting off at idle. And I've tried everything I knew, everything I don't know, and I honestly don't know what's happening. I've asked help to the very knowledgeable people of the XT660 forum. If you don't know, check it out. They've always helped me in the past, so I just put something there. But to put something there, we need internet. To have access to internet, we do need to stay at a camping site and not while camping. So for today, this is where we're gonna stay. And we'll see if we can fix something with that on the bike before we depart. So for this week, that's what we have to share. So I'll see you guys next Wednesday.